Welcome to the future of land surveying. With the rise of new technologies, the industry is evolving at an unprecedented rate. Today, we're diving into the next generation of surveying, how drones and advanced measurement tools are revolutionizing the way we map, measure, and understand the land around us. Traditionally, land surveying relied on manual measurements, compass readings, and theodolites. Surveyors spent hours on site taking measurements and calculating data manually. While effective, these methods were time-consuming and prone to human error. Fast forward to today, and technology has drastically changed the landscape. Enter drones, or unmanned aerial vehicles, or UAVs, which have completely transformed the world of land surveying. By utilizing high-resolution cameras, LiDAR sensors, and GPS technology, drones can capture detailed data from the sky in a fraction of the time it would take using traditional methods. These drones can map large areas quickly and accurately, capturing every detail of the terrain. Whether it's for construction, land development, or environmental studies, drones provide surveyors with an efficient, cost-effective solution for aerial mapping. One of the biggest advantages of drone technology is its ability to reach difficult or dangerous terrains. Surveying high-altitude sites, dense forests, or hazardous locations is no longer a challenge. Drones provide surveyors with data from hard-to-reach areas without putting anyone at risk. Drones are also faster. What used to take days or weeks to survey now just takes hours. And with the data they collect, surveyors can generate 3D models, topographic maps, and detailed aerial imagery to guide decision-making. Looking ahead, the integration of drones with artificial intelligence, machine learning, and real-time data processing will only enhance the surveying process. Imagine real-time data analysis, where surveyors can make immediate adjustments during the flight, optimizing results instantly. Additionally, as drones become more advanced, we're likely to see even more specialized applications, from monitoring environmental changes to supporting large-scale infrastructure projects. The potential is limitless. Next-gen surveying is not just about faster and more accurate measurements, it's about revolutionizing the way we approach land management. With drones leading the charge, the future of land surveying is brighter, smarter, and more efficient than ever before. Thank you for joining us in exploring the future of land measurement and how drones are shaping the next frontier of surveying. The sky's the limit.